So the Stuart Room is a production company slash art fabrication company that specialises in helping brands connect with their clients and artists connect with their fans. We've managed to work with some amazing brands and tons of amazing artists like Gary Stranger, Stuart Semple, and we just kind of help them really connect with their fans. So for Recycle Week this year, we created a huge QR code that was made out of rubbish. Everything in that whole project was made out of recyclable materials. We put that in Birmingham for the week and it worked as an actual QR code, so you could scan the rubbish QR code, which was great, and it directed you to a website that showed you how you could recycle more and your local kind of regulations for recycling. So that was really fun. Definitely a learning curve to see if the technology with the analog kind of rubbish would work. But yeah, it worked perfectly, which was great. We love smart technology. We actually use a lot of smart technology in our projects. So that's been really fun to learn, which we've then implemented into our kind of working environment as well. So we program smart plugs and bits and pieces to kind of turn on when we're coming to work, turn off when we're leaving work, all done via kind of phone signal and our location. So that's been really fun to experiment with. We started looking into smart meters during the lockdown times where we really refined our outgoings because there wasn't so many incoming jobs. Having a smart meter made a huge difference. It just allowed us to refine that kind of cost that we were losing every month. We have a lot of power hungry equipment here. So for instance, instead of leaving the aircon on trying to heat a whole warehouse, we constructed a smaller kind of office so that we could heat that up rather than the whole place. So we looked into all the different kind of what we're spending, how we're spending it. I'll use two examples. We had a bill for £1,300, and then after we had kind of looked into how we were spending and what we were doing, we managed to refine that down to like £450 a month. So yeah, big improvement. At the Stuart Room, we have tons of amazing equipment. We often use things like 3D printers, laser cutters, CNCs, we have spray booths, we have like kind of sandblasting, obviously the kind of computer technology side of stuff. We have big vinyl cutters and traditional printers as well. Time of use tariffs would be incredible because we could time when our cars charge, when we use our power hungry equipment. That would be great for us because it's the way forward for sure, especially the way everything's getting so smart and autonomous. If you can know that your batteries are going to be charged through the night at a lower tariff from a greener energy source, that would be amazing. Going forward, we'd love to have a kind of energy storage system where we have batteries, solar panels that we can charge up during cheaper tariff times, or charge via solar panels and then put it back into the grid. Having a smart meter made a huge difference. It just allowed us to refine what we're spending, which is great for us because it just means that we can budget and then be like, right, let's turn that off. That's way too power hungry. Let's see an alternative way to use that.